Like a train moving down the track, the web improvement project continues to roll on. This project began over 5 years ago. This video shares what we've accomplished since the project started and what is ahead. Here is a recap of the milestones up to this point. The work started in 2019 with a comprehensive user study to gain insight into customer frustrations with our website. With this in hand, we reconfigured the structure and design of the website, which launched in November 2022. This phase included rewriting contracts and procurement content to meet web content standards. We then designed and launched 2 new sites, the Capital Campus website, which launched in 2024, and the Employee Assistance Program website, which launched in 2025. All 3 websites are built using human-centered design. This means the user needs, goals, and pain points are at the forefront of every stage of development, from concept to launch to continuous improvement. It also entails extensive user testing. Most recently, we did more user research to understand the holistic experience of customers who use the website. This video explains what we learned from this latest research. We will share key findings and how what we learned informs the next steps in the project. The recent survey focused on the needs and preferences of website users. One of the primary objectives was to identify the various customer segments and their overlap across a range of services. We worked with divisions to build the user survey questions. Each division sent a distinct link to their customer lists. The survey was open for 20 days, from April 15th to May 5th. Over 600 people completed the survey. 2/3 of the participants identified as Washington State Agency employees. Most survey respondents reported visiting the site several times a month. The user survey results help us in many ways. We get insight into who is visiting the website based on data, not assumptions. We better understand what customers are doing on the website and how they use a variety of services. With this information, we can create personas that represent website users across all content areas. In terms of satisfaction, 57% of participants reported they were very satisfied or satisfied with the site. Participants described the website as useful and current. They appreciate the visual design. However, they also said the site can be time-consuming and difficult to navigate. They struggle with the complex navigation structure and high volume of its content. They noted duplicate content and buried information. We also learned our users visit the website to complete a variety of tasks across multiple division services. For example, respondents who use the website to find relevant training opportunities might also use the website to purchase goods or services. The feedback we heard from real users of the website helped us create new website user personas. Personas help us understand the composition of our user base. We can then better design and tailor services. Content and subject matter expert teams use personas to inform design and content decisions, prioritize improvements to the website, recruit research participants, and segment analytics data. We can use the survey results and personas to gain a deeper understanding of our website users, learn how to serve them in more strategic ways, and make data-driven content and design decisions on the website to ensure we focus on users' goals and needs. The user survey identified 6 personas: state employee multitaskers, state employee specialists, local government employees, project professionals, businesses, and residents. When we look at all personas, we notice our website visitors use multiple DS services. Some personas might share similar priorities and needs. This overlap suggests the website should be structured in a task-based manner. Moving forward, web services will use a sprint approach to work with programs to simplify navigation, remove duplicate content, improve content using plain language and accessibility principles, improve search and filtering options, and make data-driven decisions based on survey insights for different user personas. Throughout the project, we'll focus on reinforcing our One DS brand and customer service philosophy, because so many of our visitors rely on the website for more than a single service. Each sprint consists of pre-production, production, launch, and post-launch phases. Following this process ensures we don't miss important steps. The sprints are facility professional services, contracts and procurement, print and mail, surplus, fleet, buildings and grounds, capital security, real estate services, small agency support, training, risk management, and policy and rulemaking. Other general areas that require improvement will fit within sprints as appropriate. For instance, we will build a forms library and improve the news and about us sections. For any website, continuous improvement is necessary to adapt to the needs of users and the activities of the agency. But the goal is constant: a website that helps users find, understand, and use our services. We look forward to sharing more information about the project as it progresses. Thank you for watching.